Inside the household was sleeping. Upstairs in an army car, I was dreaming of motorbikes, hillsides and mountains, Portuguese beaches and old Spanish fountains afloat. I woke as my friend, he shook me. He looked excited, I followed his finger, which pointed right out of the window, falling like feathers from shaken old dune as white snow. A sight to see for the first time. Oh, what a sight to see with my own eyes. Oh, 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 oh. I could not get dressed soon enough. I ran out the door, pinching myself. I thought this might just be another dream, but it was so cold I could not feel a thing. How about that? I walked around town by myself, crunching the snow below. Worn sneakers, I will always remember the sound, the sight, the cold of bright white snow. What a sight to see for the first time. Oh, what a sight to see with my own eyes. Oh, 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 oh. Inside the household was sleeping. Upstairs in an army car, I was dreaming of motorbikes, hillsides and mountains, Portuguese beaches and old Spanish fountains afloat. I woke as my friend, he shook me. He looked excited, I followed his finger, which pointed right out of the window, falling like feathers from shaken old dune as white snow. A sight to see for the first time. side.